Hello distinguished subscribers and welcome to Kids Learning Italian. In this video we're going to have a multiple choice test, un test a scelta multipla of B1 level, livello B1. So let's start. Scegli la risposta giusta. Choose the right answer. 1. In estate ci sono molti frutti, puntini puntini puntini, alberi. A. Sugli. B. Sui. C. Su. In estate ci sono molti frutti, alberi. Albero means tree. Here it's in the plural form, alberi. So we should use an articulated preposition here, una preposizione articolata. And the article for this noun is li, G-L-E, because it's a masculine noun that starts with a vowel. So, and the meaning of the sentence requires us to use the preposition su, which is also present in all of the three choices. So the preposition su combined with the article li, when we contract these two elements, we get sugli alberi, sugli, on the trees. Okay. In summer, there are many fruits on the trees. Sugli alberi. Ok. 2. Abito, puntini puntini puntini, Roma, puntini puntini puntini, via dei Vestini. A. In. B. A. In. C. A. Roma. With cities, we use the preposition a. And with street names such as this one, Via dei Vestini, Vestini Street, we use the preposition in. So the right answer is this one. Abito a Roma in Via dei Vestini. So let's continue with our next slide. 3. C'è un bar, puntini puntini puntini, la posta è la pasticceria. C'è un bar. There is a bar. We should insert a preposition here so that it would give the meaning between la posta, post office, and la pasticceria, the pastry shop. Between these two. So let's have a look at the choices. A. Dentro. B. Lungo. C. Tra. Dentro means inside. Lungo means long. Tra means between. So among these three, the right choice is this one, tra. C'è un bar tra la posta e la pasticceria. 4. Ci vediamo, puntini puntini puntini, 2 ore. A. In. B. A. C. Tra. Ci vediamo 2 ore. In 2 ore? No. A neanche, ma tra sì. Within. We'll see each other within 2 hours. Tra gives us this meaning. So let's continue with the next slide. 5. In Italia le scuole iniziano puntini 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 settembre. Settembre is the month September. And here the sentence says, in Italy, the schools open, and there is this month, name of the month, September. We should put a preposition here. A. Con. B. Al. C. In. La preposizione che si usa con i mesi è in. The preposition that we use with the months is in. That's why we say in settembre. 6. La farmacia è chiusa, puntini puntini puntini, lunedì. The pharmacy is closed. Blank, lunedì. lunedì is Monday. A, fino a. B, durante. C, a. The pharmacy is closed Monday, so which one would be the right choice here? Fino a, until Monday. Durante, during Monday. A, no, a is not the preposition that we use with days. But if there were no prepositions, it would be right to choose il lunedì. And if we said la farmacia è chiusa il lunedì, we would be meaning the pharmacy is closed on Monday. But within those alternatives, the one to choose from is this one. Fino a, until, durante, during. A is not the preposition to use with days anyways. So, la farmacia è chiusa fino a lunedì. The pharmacy is closed until Monday. Continue with the next slide. 7. Mi piace d'estate andare in giro puntini puntini moto. Con il, in. In summer, I like going around with the motorcycle. So, the preposition to choose from, the right preposition among those alternatives is this one, in moto. In moto. We could also say con, we could use con, but in order to be able to use con, we should be using the right article for this word, and the article for this word is la moto. It would be also right to say con la moto, but not con il moto. This is not the right choice. Also, in moto semplicemente va bene. Con chi al telefono ieri sera? A, parlando. B, hai parlato. C, hai parluto. Con chi? With whom did you talk on the phone yesterday evening? Parlando, gerundio, we should be saying stavi parlando, but this is not the case here. Hai parlato, sì, because since it says ieri sera, we understand that it's talking about simple past tense, past time. So the verbo coniugato al passato prossimo qua is hai parlato. The verb that is conjugated in simple past tense is this one, hai parlato. With whom did you talk on the phone yesterday evening? Hai parluto non si dice, non esiste nemmeno, perché parlare diventa parlato. Il participio passato del verbo parlare, past participle of the verb parlare, is parlato. Parluto no, non va bene. Okay, let's continue with the next slide. 9. Puntini, puntini, puntini. A Roma in treno. A, ho andato. B, sono andato. C, ho vadato. A Roma in treno. So here we understand, having a look at the choices we have here, that we should be writing a sentence in simple past tense. So the verb needs to be in simple past tense. And the right construction here is this one. Sono andato a Roma in treno. Il verbo andare richiede l'uso del verbo ausiliario essere. That's why the auxiliary verb here needs to be essere, not avere. And vadato non esiste nemmeno, quindi sono andato a Roma in treno. I went to Rome in train. 10. Mentre il gatto, puntini, 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 sull'albero, il cane ha cominciato ad abbaiare. Mentre il gatto. Mentre. With mentre we use past continuous tense, imperfetto. While the cat. Salire is the verb. Salire means to climb. While the cat was climbing on the tree, the dog started to bark. So, while the cat was climbing, è salito? No. Saliva va bene. Qui dobbiamo scegliere questo verbo qua. perché il verbo deve essere all'imperfetto. The verb needs to be in past continuous tense, and this is the right conjugation of imperfetto, simple past continuous tense in Italian. So, mentre il gatto saliva, salendo non va bene comunque perché non è neanche imperfetto. Ok, so let's continue with the next slide. 11. Mi canti ancora quella canzone che mi puntini 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 anni fa? Canti, cantavi, cantavo. Will you sing for me again the song that you used to sing years ago? Used to sing. So this meaning used to corresponds to the verb conjugated in imperfetto in Italian. So canti is simple present tense, presente indicativo. Questo non va bene, that's why we can't choose that one. Cantavi invece sì, imperfetto. This is conjugated in imperfetto, past continuous tense, which gives us the meaning used to, which is talking about a habit in the past. That's why we choose cantavi. Cantavo is also imperfetto, it's past continuous tense, but here it is conjugated in the first singular person, io. But me implies that you used to sing to me. That's why to me means me, and we should conjugate the verb in the second singular person, to, you. You used to sing. That's why we choose cantavi. 12. Chi mi presta una matita? Puntini, puntini, puntini. Offro io. No. Aspetta. Presto. Ok, that's better. Presto io, not offro. Chi mi presta una matita? Puntini, puntini, puntini. Presto io. Who will lend me a pencil? I will lend it to you. So, which one gives us this meaning? Te lo. Here, lo is not the right pronoun to choose because here our direct object is a feminine one, a singular feminine object. That's why lo would correspond to a singular masculine object. That's why we cannot choose this one. Ce lo means to us. And it does not give the right meaning. Te la, to you. Yes, this one is the right one because it says, I will lend it to you. I will lend it to you. Okay. La corresponds to la matita. Mi in the reply form will become ti. And when used together, ti will become te. Written separately with la, it will become te la. Te la presto io. I will lend it to you. And here also, we also chose this one, cantavi anni fa. Okay. So let's continue with the next slide. And this is the last slide. 13. Ho parlato con Maria e puntini 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 ho detto tutto. Ho parlato con Maria. I spoke with Maria and I told her everything. Ho detto tutto. Her. Which one gives us this meaning? A, li, B, le, ci, la. First of all, it should be an indirect pronoun. So this one is not an indirect pronoun. This is a direct object pronoun, so we have to eliminate this one. We have these two remaining, among which this, since we're talking about Maria, lei, a lei would become le, ho detto tutto. We should choose this one, B. Le ho detto tutto. If it was, instead of Maria, there was written Marco, for instance, man's name, li would be okay. But here, with Maria, we should choose le, ho detto tutto. 14. Chi offre una sigaretta a Luigi? puntini, 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 offro io. Who offers a cigarette to Luigi? I will offer him. I will offer it to him. Una sigaretta a Luigi. So, un pronome combinato, a combined pronoun we should be choosing. Luigi. For Luigi, we should use li. So, and since it's a combined pronoun, it should start with the indirect pronoun. So we again eliminate the last choice because it doesn't start with li. These two start with li, and since the object is una sigaretta, a feminine object, also singular, it requires us to use the direct object pronoun la. That's why we choose this one. Li e la offro io. Chi offre una sigaretta a Luigi? Li e la offro io. So this was our test, multiple choice test. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye.